So if you want to download the audio from ElevenLabs, you can click this download button down here. For example, this audio,
I wish you a great day ahead.
which lasts only around 1 second, if I click this download button, I'll get a file in the MP3 format with the size of around 26.2 kilobytes. That is not the smallest, but also not the biggest. It is kind of in the middle ground, and the quality is decent. However, that's actually not the only format available in ElevenLabs. In fact, you can now select the audio bitrate or quality based on your preferences. And to get that, you have to navigate to history. And then you can select the audio that you want to download. In this case, I'm going to be using this audio again.
I wish you a great day ahead.
And basically, you have to click this download button. Now, they look alike, they look kind of the same, except if you click this download button, it will give you more options. There's the MP3 format, the WAV format, and also now there is a new option to actually select the audio bitrate and even different other formats like the M4A and also the FLAC format. So if you want to get the highest quality, then go with the WAV, that's the highest quality version. If I click that button, I'll get that file format, and as you can see, the size is way different than the baseline MP3 with only 128 kilobits per second, and that's actually the setting if you use the download button right here. So maybe it is always a good idea to get the one with decent higher quality version, especially if you care so much about audio fidelity. Now, the difference between these formats are quite massive in some cases, but for day-to-day use, I think they're not very different. But still, there's a reason why we have different audio formats, and if you're curious about the meaning behind all of them, then you can check this simple table. And basically, as you can see, the WAV is the one with the highest quality, and the lowest quality version is usually the MP3 with 128 kilobits per second. So it's up to you which one that you want to use, but that's basically how you can get a different audio format or even bitrate from ElevenLabs text-to-speech tool. Thank you so much for watching, and
I wish you a great day ahead.